Can't get you, little bird. You're safe. Grommie. What's the matter, Grams? That's the bird I was talking about, the speckledy bird. Oh, bird. Grommie, them little birds are just lined up. You can't get your little bird. Grum. Grum. I know that's your Christmas present, huh? Do you like it or do you hate it? Huh? Do you like it or do you hate it? Huh? I know. I thought you would like it. I know you like talking to the birdies. You don't want to hurt a little birdie anyways, right? No, you just want to play with them. Yeah, I know. You're so sweet. Not really. Not really. Oh, look at that. Oh, the ground. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, you're so sweet.